So guys, come on, it is getting colder this time of year, isn't it? So it is absolutely essential that you bring your down jackets out with you on all of your adventures, because we live in England. You never know when the weather is going to take a turn for the worse. But let's be honest guys, these things are pretty hard to pack. Obviously stuffing them into a backpack is the easy solution, but when you take them out, they can get caught in other kit, and very quickly they start to weaken and they start to rip, and again it's just a complete mess. Which is why, my friends, I've sought out a way to properly fold them up inside your bag. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing that technique with you. This is how to Ranger roll your down jacket. Step 1, lay out your jacket and make sure it's zipped up. Step 2, start by folding the bottom into itself to form a cuff. The bigger the coat, the bigger the cuff. If you've got a lot of down fill in your jacket, then testing out different cuff sizes for your jacket is going to be essential. You're only going to find that out by doing this process again and again. Step 3, take the right arm and use it to fold your whole jacket over in line with the hood on your coat, about 1/3 of the way over. Step 4, grab that same arm and bend it back the way it came, but instead place it downwards facing towards you. Step 5, my friends, take the left arm and use it to fold the left side of the jacket over to the right. Again, use the hood for reference, or just measure roughly 1/3. Step 6, you know what to do. Put that left arm facing you and then push any air bubbles out of the jacket. Step 7, we're going to do a 180 here guys. Swivel the jacket so the hood is now nearest to you. Step 8, fold the hood in half. Step 9, it's time to roll that hood guys. You want to get 2 hands on this. You want to keep that roll as tight as possible. Most people are going to fail here. They're going to do it too loose and they're going to have to do the whole process again, but you're not going to do that. You're going to do it really tight and roll it all the way up. If any little bits and pieces are escaping out the sides, then be sure to tuck them in and just keep that roll tight. Step 10, pick up the jacket and get a really firm grip on it. This part is always a little bit hard to describe and show, but you want to put your hand inside the cuff that you've made for the jacket, and then you want to use your other hand to pull the outer layer of the cuff over the majority of your material. It's going to take a couple of tries, and you need to make sure that left hand is solid, because you don't want to let the jacket all come loose and then all of this has been for nothing. So you want to pull that cuff over to the other side of the jacket, and that's it guys. You've created your down jacket, you know, winter coat burrito here. This is an easy thing to get wrong the first time. Don't give in if you have. Try it again. I would recommend readjusting that initial cuff. It might need to be a bit bigger, it might need to be a bit smaller. Different jackets need different size cuffs to kind of get them in. It's all to do with that down fill, the material type, how heavy the material is, and how big size jacket it is. So yeah, don't give up. This definitely does work. You just need to figure out what's right for your jacket. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you want to join me on a camping trip, then hit subscribe. And if you're going on a trip with your mates, then send this video to them and let's pack efficiently. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in another one soon. Peace.